What's going on? This is Markie Williams and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial and all the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you would like to get certified in and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. First off, there will be 2 study guides for you to check out in the description below for purchase for those who are just starting out and need to be licensed before embarking on this journey of making money with drones. The License Study Guide ebook and the Remote Pilot Certification exam will simply go over the requirements in order to pass the FAA 107 exam through the study guide and along with the FAA Part 107 drone exam, AudioLearn. I wish you guys the best of luck, but in the meantime, enjoy the tutorial in regards to making this money when it comes to flying in the drone industry. The people who make good money from flying drones to consider it a career are usually the ones with a specific set of skills, like filming, video editing, 3D mapping, and so forth. But let's get into other money-making niches that are out there as well. The great thing about being a freelance drone operator, your training and gaining experience is all on you by going out and learning how to make great videos, and through proper editing, you can shop these around to businesses that could need your help. So let's get started with number 1. Standard photography is out the window when it comes to selling a piece of real estate. You have to captivate the buyer, and that when you as a drone pilot comes into play by creating stunning videos and images by doing flyovers of the whole property as well as the inside of the building or homes. Go ahead and Google any big chain hotel website and you will rarely see a flyover video of the property. Just mostly still shots of the place. You can literally get your foot in the door by asking for permission to do a short video of the property, edit it down, and show them the results. If they like what they see, you can go all in for the big show. Drone photography is becoming more popular at weddings and banquets. It's starting to become an increasingly common request for aerial videos. A drone can emphasize the beauty of the location at destination weddings in one seamless shot in ways a videographer can't. You could either network with clients directly or connect to a local wedding photography business, and that's about partnering up with them. You will also find newlyweds looking for aerial wedding photography by checking out this freelance platform like Thumbtack to get some leads. When it comes to structural repair needs or an inspection of a building, drone pilots provide a safer and more cost-effective way to do that inspection. A drone can easily inspect the inside of a large chimney or reach the top of a cell phone tower than a human being. These can include construction sites, utility towers, and nuclear power plants. Several industries require inspection and could benefit from the use of a certified drone pilot. Inspectors sometimes work with freelance drone operators to perform overhead roof inspections. To get started, consider reaching out to a local home inspectors for opportunities in your area. You can also get certified as a home inspector yourself and add drone inspection jobs as part of your services. This is really a big one when it comes to capturing good photos or making exclusive videos that in return can be sold on multiple platforms as you see here. Most pay a commission to the photographer when the photos or videos is sold. Companies often pay for access to stock photography to use in marketing and instructional. As the need for speed is required when it comes to package deliveries, drone deliveries will soon be on the rise. Drones can deliver faster, cheaper, and with less pollution than commercial vehicles. And you already know Amazon has already rolled out Prime Air system to deliver packages under 5 pounds to customers in just 30 minutes. There may be opportunities for freelance work with startups or nonprofit on websites like Upwork. There are so many niches out there to use when it comes to having your drone FAA Part 107 license. If you do some deep thinking, you too can come up with your very own niche in this game. Many thanks for taking some time to check out my tutorial. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below done and I'll reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these certification courses as well that's floating around right here. And always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.